someone is watching your content right now. They like how you think, they trust you, they've been in your world long enough to know that they want to work with you, and they can't find a way in. It's not because they're not ready, and it's not because they don't have the money, but you haven't built a door at the right height for where they are right now. That's what we're fixing today. I'm Shelly Shulman. I help business owners build the backbone that their business actually needs to run properly. Subscribe for a new video every single Monday because I don't hold the good stuff back. You'll hear the word ecosystem thrown around consistently in the online space, and most of the time it sounds complicated, like something you have to build from scratch once you've made it, or something only bigger businesses have. But the truth is, you probably already have one. Every business does, whether it was built intentionally or not. In layman terms, your ecosystem is your offer stack. It's how people enter into your world, what they buy first, what they move to next, and how they grow with you over time. Now, some people will start at your lowest entry point because that's where they are right now. Others will come in at the middle. Some will go straight to your highest touch offer. None of those paths are wrong, but all of them actually need to exist. That's what most business owners are missing. Not the clients, not the demand, the structure that meets people at the right level. This isn't a new concept. It's just been given a fancy new name because let's be honest about it, the online space loves itself a buzzword. Look at a supermarket. They don't sell one product at one price point and hope for the best. They have a budget range, they have their own brand, they have their premium own brand label line, and they have all of the branded products sitting alongside all of it. Why? Because their customers are not all the same person. Some are watching every penny, some will want quality but without the brand premium, some want the best and will pay for it without blinking. The supermarket doesn't pick one type of customer and turn the rest away. They build a structure that meets every customer exactly where they are. Designer brands actually do the same thing. You might not be able to afford the coat yet or the fancy shoes, but you can buy the sunglasses or the perfume or the small leather good. And when you can afford the coat, you already know the brand, you already trust it, and you already want it. That's not accidental, that's architecture. And your business needs exactly the same thing. Now, let's talk about what this actually feels like from the client side, because this is the bit that most business owners never actually stop to think about. Imagine you've been following someone for months, you love their content, every post feels like it was written just for you. You're thinking, yes, this is the person I want to work with. You go looking for a way in, and there's one offer, and it's £2,000 or 5,000, or it's something that you have to apply for and you're not sure that you're ready. So you wait, you keep watching, and you keep consuming. But you never buy. And it's not because you don't want to, it's because the gap between where you are right now and the only option available to you is just too wide. That person was ready to invest in you. You just didn't have a door for them. And here's the reality. Most of the time, they won't wait forever. They'll find someone who does have a door, someone who does meet them where they are, and they'll grow with that person instead of you. Now, let's flip it because business owners do this without realizing, and it costs them. Most business owners are so focused on their premium offer, the thing they're most proud of, the thing that gets the best results, that they forget that not everyone is ready for it yet. They've basically built a menu with one item on the menu. It's a really good item, but one item. And the person who isn't quite ready for that full experience, they leave. Not because they didn't want to eat there, because there was nothing for them there today. You don't have to lower your standards to create an entry point. You don't have to water down your work or compromise your positioning. You just have to build a door that someone can walk through right now at the stage they're actually at. Meeting your client where they are at isn't a compromise, it's a strategy. So, what does a strong ecosystem actually look like? And how do you build one without overcomplicating it? First, it's not 10 offers. If your ecosystem feels complicated right now, that's the first thing to fix. Complexity is not depth. It's usually just confusion that's wearing a strategy hat. A clean ecosystem or offer stack has three things: a clear starting point, a natural next step, and a premium experience for the people who are ready for it. I call it startup, stack up, scale up. Startup is where someone enters your world for the very first time. This is your lowest commitment offer, the thing that lets someone say yes without it having to be a big decision. It could be a masterclass, a low cost course, an audit, something that gives them a real tangible result and shows them what working with you feels like. The goal here isn't revenue, the goal is trust. Stack up is the natural next step. Once someone's experienced you, where do they go afterwards? This is where you deepen that relationship. A mid-tier offer, a done with you container, a membership, something that builds on what they've already started. They're not a cold lead anymore. They've already said yes once. So make it easy for them to say yes again. Scale up, well, that's the premium experience, the high touch, high investment offer for the person who is ready for the full thing, the VIP experience, if you will. This is where your best results live. But, and this is the most important part, most people won't start here. They'll arrive here because they've moved through your ecosystem and been nurtured well by you in that process. Every offer has one job: no overlap, no confusion. It's just a clear path with a door at every single stage. When these three things are clear and connected, something then shifts. Clients don't just buy once, they move through. They refer people in at the right entry point. They grow with you instead of outgrowing you. And your revenue then stops depending on constantly finding new people because the people already in your world have somewhere to go on to next. That's what a backbone looks like. It doesn't just hold what you have right now, it creates room for what's coming. So remember, someone is watching your content right now. They like you, they trust you, and they want to buy from you. The question isn't whether they're ready. The question is whether you've built something that they can say yes to today. If this was useful, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I drop a new video every single Monday. Give the video a like, and I will see you next week.